We want a CLICK PLC to talk to a GS4 drive over Modbus RTU. To do that, we just wire it like this. And depending on how your system is set up, you can decide if you need a ground wire. In the CLICK software, let's have the rising edge of contact C1 send a frequency command. We want the RS-45 port, which is port 3, with Modbus control. Let's set up that serial port. The GS4 is at node 1, so we'll make this master node 2. Normally, we make the drive match the COM settings of our network, but since we don't have a network set up yet, and we're here, we'll just change this to match the drive settings, which you can find in drive parameters 9.1 and 9.2. Everything else looks good. The GS4 drive's ID is a 1, and we want to write a single register using Modbus. And if we look at the GS4 user manual, we see these parameters control the drive from Modbus RTU, and these are the addresses. Frequency is this address, so we put that here. Notice that the CLICK uses a 40 here, instead of the 4 shown in the GS4 user manual. We'll use register DS1 to hold the frequency value. And I'll go ahead and fill out the status data just in case we get an error. Perfect. Well, that's set the frequency. I'm just going to copy that rung, paste it, and let's have C2 send a run command. The GS4 manual tells me that's address 4332, and of course we have to add that 40 for the CLICK. And we'll use register DS2 to hold the run command, which will be a 1. Copy and paste that, and we'll have C3 be the stop command. It's identical to the run command, except it sends a 0, which we'll store in DS3. Copy that rung, paste it, and let's have C4 send a forward command. That's at this address, and again we add the 40 for the CLICK. And we'll store the forward command in register DS4. Copy that, paste it, let's have C5 send the reverse command, which uses the same address, but will send the contents of DS5, which will be a 1. And of course we need an end instruction. Okay, great, let's write that to the PLC. I've already created a data view with all the control bits, created nicknames for all of them, and I put values we need for the various commands in the DS registers. You can see run is a 1, stop is a 0, forward is a 0, reverse is a 1. And let's put a frequency of 43.21 Hertz in here. I've already set up the GS4 to accept RTU commands using this video, so let's try it. Make sure the CLICK's in run mode, and if we toggle C1 to change the frequency, sure enough the drive responds. If I toggle C5 to reverse, yep, the drive got it. Toggle the run bit, the drive starts spinning. Toggle the forward bit, and it starts to change direction, and toggle the stop bit, and the drive ramps to a stop. And that's all there is to it. Click here to learn more about the GS4 drive. Click here to learn about Automation Direct's free support options, and click here to subscribe to Automation Direct's YouTube channel so you'll be notified when we publish new videos.